To edit or change your profile name on WhatsApp in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, open WhatsApp. Tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right. And then select setting. Tap your current profile. And then tap the pencil icon next to name to edit your current profile name. Enter a new name. If needed, you can add emojis to your profile name. To do so, tap the emoji icon and then select the desired emoji. Once done, tap Save button to save the change. Now your profile name on WhatsApp has been changed. However, by doing this name will be displayed as your contact information to another people who have not saved your contact yet. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.